Nifty at new highs, will key catalysts bring more gains or trigger volatility? In yesterday's trade, Sensex hit historic 76,000 milestone. Well, the all-time high on Nifty and Sensex brings us to the big question. 1. Is Dalal Street chasing a hot stock market? 2. Should investors be really concerned? Please note, the India VIX and the US bond markets are also sending an alarming message. Honestly speaking, there is a bright chance that Nifty could continue to stand tall, but we suspect the 6 big catalysts lined up this week could make a big difference. 1. Exit poll, 1st June at 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. 2. May FANO expiry, 30th May. 3. US GDP, 30th May. 4. India's GDP, 31st May. 5. US PCE inflation, 31st May. 6. May auto sales, 1st June. Long story short, well, our call of the day suggests Nifty shall continue to chase one high after another, albeit with occasional setbacks. Uncertainty over the results of the ongoing general elections is likely to be the biggest catalyst which could keep our stock markets volatile in the near term. Technically speaking, the line on the sand is at Nifty to 2617 mark. Global cues are neutral. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 541 crores while DIIs net bought to the tune of Rs 923 crores. Sentiments for the day is likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating massive overbought technical conditions. FANO May month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 to 23,500 zone. India VIX is trading firm at 23.19 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th May, is at 0.89 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th May, is at 0.98. Nifty outlook, volatility is likely to be the hallmark. Nifty, CMP to 2932. Interweek support on Nifty is placed at 22,617 mark. Immediate resistance is placed at 23,150 mark. Range for the day is between 22,850 and 23,100. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 49282. Intraday make or break support is placed at 48,700 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at its all-time high at 49,975 mark. Range for the day is between 49,000 and 49600. Bias for the day is positive. Q4 corporate results to trickle in today. IRCTC, ABFRL, GIC, ITI, NBCC, Linde India, Amara Raja Energy. News report suggests that Anil Agarwal's Vedanta is considering a share sale as soon as the coming weeks that could raise as much as $1 billion. Shares of Vedanta have gained 78% this year, giving the company a market value of about $20.6 billion. LIC reported 2.5% YOY rise in net profit at 13,762 crore rupees for the March quarter of the financial year 2023-24. Life Insurance Corporation of India is targeting double-digit growth in financial year 2024-25. Meanwhile, India VIX, or Volatility Index, which measures the market's expectation of volatility in the next 30 days, has shot higher above 23 levels, indicating heightened volatility ahead.